Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. It needs to be reiterated that the learned magistrate has to remain vigilant with regard to the allegations made and the nature of allegations and not to issue directions without proper application of mind. Full stop. He has also to bear in mind that sending the matter would be conducive to justice and then he may pass the requisite order. Full stop. The present is a case where the accused persons are serving in high positions in the bank. Full stop. We are absolutely conscious that the position does not matter, comma, for nobody is above law. Full stop. But, comma, the learned magistrate should take note of the allegations in entirety, comma, the date of incident and whether any cognizable case is remotely made out. Full stop. It is also to be noted that when a borrower of the financial institution covered under the SARFAESI Act invokes the jurisdiction under section 156 within bracket 3 CRPC, and also there is a separate procedure under the recovery of debts due to banks and financial institutions Act, 1993, an attitude of more care, caution and circumspection has to be adhered to. Full stop. Issuing a direction stating as per the application to lodge an FIR creates as very unhealthy situation in the society and also reflects the erroneous approach of the learned magistrate. Full stop. It also encourages the unscrupulous and unprincipled litigants, to take adventurous steps with courts to bring the financial institutions on their knees. Full stop. At this stage, it is seemly to state that power under section 156 within bracket 3 warrants application of judicial mind. Full stop. A court of law is involved. Full stop. It is not the police taking steps at the stage of section 154 of the code. Full stop. A litigant at his own whim cannot invoke the authority of the magistrate. Full stop. A principled and really grieved citizen with clean hands must have free access to invoke the said power. Full stop. It protects the citizens, but when pervert litigations takes this route to harass their fellows citizens, efforts are to be made to scuttle and curb the same. Full stop. In our considered opinion, a state has come in this country where section 156 within bracket 3 CRPC applications are to be supported by an affidavit duly sworn by the applicant who seeks the invocation of the jurisdiction of the magistrate. Full stop. That apart, in an appropriate case, the learned magistrate would be well advised to verify the truth and also can verify the veracity of the allegations. Full stop. This affidavit can make the applicant more responsible. Full stop. एंड ओवर. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM पे. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन लाइक दिस subscribe our channel. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.